Who is considered the first emperor of Vietnam? Which dynasty marked the beginning of Vietnam's history? Hongbang dynasty. What year did the Jin dynasty begin? 968 AD. Who defeated the Southern Han at the Battle of Bac Giang in 938 AD? Ngo Quyen. Which kingdom ruled northern Vietnam before 938 AD? Southern Han. What treaty ended French colonial rule in Vietnam? Geneva Accords. When did the French colonial period begin in Vietnam? 1858. Who led the resistance against French rule during the 19th century? Phan Boi Chau. What was the name of Vietnam under French rule? Indochina. Which nationalist group emerged during French rule? Viet Minh. What sparked U.S. involvement in the Vietnam War? Gulf of Tonkin incident. When did the Vietnam War officially end? 1975. What was the Tet Offensive? A major surprise attack. Who was the leader of North Vietnam during the war? Ho Chi Minh. What was the capital of South Vietnam? Saigon. What marked the fall of Saigon? North's victory. When did Vietnam officially reunify as a single state? 1976. What major event symbolized Vietnam's reunification? Fall of Saigon. What is Vietnam's official name after reunification? Socialist Republic. When did Vietnam join the United Nations? 1977.